English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Outline, popularity, seldom. Outline. Outline is a noun and a verb. B2 learners usually know outline. At B2, an outline is a description. To outline is to describe only the most important ideas about something. Here are some examples. It's best to begin with a brief outline. Can you give me a brief outline of what was discussed? At the meeting, he outlined the main tasks for each team member. Popularity. Popularity is a noun. B2 learners usually know popularity. At B2, popularity is the quality of being liked by people. Here are some examples. Organic produce is increasing in popularity. His popularity grew as he made more films. The growing popularity of swimming in freezing waters amazes me. Seldom. Seldom is an adverb. B2 learners usually know seldom. At B2, seldom means not often. Here are some examples. We seldom go out these dark evenings. You seldom hear his name on the radio anymore. She phoned her aunt a lot, but she seldom visited. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with outline, popularity and seldom. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR B2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.